All right, Language Explorer. So let's look at this Tuesday's Tuesday verbs. So create, 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 create. To make something, to make something. To invent new things, invent new things. What is she creating? What is that? You need to create more books. I'm going to create more lessons. More lessons. I want to create more videos. Yes. I have plans to create more English lessons for you. More English lessons for you. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. I created it last night. Yes. It was created back in 1899. A long time ago. Long time ago. Wow. Yeah. She is working and creating it now. How cool is that? Yeah. We worked and created it together. Together. She thinks I will have created it by April. Yeah, so I plan to have it I plan to have it created by the summer. Yeah. The deadline by summer. Yeah. Yeah, but I enjoy creating things. It is fun. Yes. I have to create a lot of short stories. Yes. How cool is that, Language Explorer? So, create. Create. Yeah. To make or invent things. So, can you use create in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram and Udemy by searching English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, Language Explorers? Let's keep exploring.